Hi, and welcome to another episode of Glenn's Tech Corner. In this video, I'll show you how to work with wrapping or truncating of text in Figma. So, if you work in Figma, you might have noticed that when you have a text box, no matter what you do with the sizing, it kind of keeps showing all the text. It doesn't hide parts of it, doesn't matter which settings we do here, or how large the box is, it only kind of tells it where it breaks into new lines, but not truncating the text. But there is a super easy way to fix it. If we click down in this more settings, we can see that we get the truncate text. Clicking this will easily make these three dots and make sure that we cannot see the rest. So the text is still visible, and going into the text tool, we can also see what it says with a dark gray tint to see this would be hidden. So that's one way to do it. We have a fixed height and a fixed width, and the moment we make it larger, it will show the amount of lines that is spaced for. The same with the width. If we have auto height, then we get a new feature in here where you can define how many lines should be shown instead of setting the height. We could just write, I wrote 23. We could write 3, and then it will always show 3 lines. So this is super simple and super effective, and I hope you can use this small trick and it can help you when working in Figma. Thank you so much for watching.